Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade salsa, easy method. Start by roasting tomatoes and peppers over high heat until charred, then cool, peel, and roughly chop. Add onion, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt, then pulse in a blender to desired texture. Taste and adjust for heat with jalapeno or salt, and let flavors meld for at least 15 minutes before serving with chips. I like to keep salsa simple and fresh, focusing on bright tomatoes and zesty lime. Use ripe tomatoes, white or red onion, fresh cilantro, and 1 to 2 jalapenos depending on spice preference. A teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of lime juice helps balance flavors, and a splash of water can loosen texture if needed. Make a small batch first and adjust seasonings before serving with chips or tacos. Start by roasting or pan-searing tomatoes and peppers until blistered for smoky sweetness, then cool enough to handle. Remove any charred skin if desired and coarsely chop the vegetables before adding onion, cilantro, and lime. Pulse briefly in a blender for a chunky salsa, or longer for smooth consistency, and always taste for salt and heat. Let the salsa rest for at least 15 minutes so the flavors marry before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.